welcome back. Got us an issue. You got no block? We got logs though. So we're gonna show you some, how's it hard to say that?
I don't know.
So we're gonna show you some tips and tricks on making block that's gonna save your back and get it done real fast. Stay tuned. Well, the first thing in the block making process is we need to make these come down here. What we're gonna do for that, take the tracker on the other side, poke them right here, and they'll roll down. We do it all the time. Seems pretty boring to us. Maybe you guys will think it would be interesting. Let's make some block. We got ourselves a big mess of block. We've we've discovered that it's a whole lot easier for everything involved if we just go ahead and stack the block into quick rows. That way we can fit more over here, and it's easier to get it on the machine over here. Beautiful machine. It's leaking everywhere already. So let's get this block stacked. That's how you do that. Thanks for seeing how we do our block.